So it's tax day today. If you're panicking because you haven't filed or you can't pay what you owe, don't panic. 5 on your side has you covered. Keely Arthur here live in the studio with some of the options that people have. Keely.
Dan, the good news is if you think you're going to get a return, you don't have to file an extension. You actually have 3 years from the filing deadline. So today to file to claim your return. But I want to talk to the people in the other boat. If you can't afford to pay what you owe, I want you to pay as much as you can to start and then go to irs.gov, click pay and then payment plan to see if you qualify. If you haven't filed yet, you can certainly file for an extension, but remember, it only gives you an extension on filing. You will still have to pay interest on what you owe by paying late. And to avoid interest, you can pay what you think you owe and then file the extension later. Yes, you can pay without filing. That way you'll have to pay only what is left over. If you overpaid, anything you overpaid, you'll get back from the IRS. And finally, the deadline to file an extension is also today by midnight. The forms you would need for a federal tax form is a 4868 and a state is a D410.
When you do file your return, you are signing under penalties of perjury that to the best of your knowledge, it is true, complete, and correct. So why do a rush job on a tax return? If you're missing a W-2, if you're missing information, just file the extension and then do a true, complete, and correct return when you're ready.
And what if you've done your taxes, but something isn't right? Well, you're not alone. This morning, we got an email from a viewer who said his account was overdrawn because the IRS took his payment out twice. We told him to go to the Taxpayer Advocate page over on the IRS website and file a 911 form. This is a form that will alert the IRS if something like this happens, and in theory, they should rectify it quickly. We've posted links to that on our website.
Taxes aren't fun.
No.
They're not. It's just, it's something we have to do, but they're not fun. And I know a lot of people are paying more than they expected this year because of some of the benefits from COVID going away and a lot of things changing. Keely Arthur, though, here for us in the studio. Thanks, Keely.